Quattro formaggi, I think, yeah. This is quattro formaggi. This is the size of the pizza, the slice of pizza. Look, bigger than my face. Built in 1898.
Yes.
This man standing on the top of the building, he used to be a beggar, okay?
He was here in 2nd of July 1995. Veverička means squirrel, and this pub is extremely old and famous.
We are here in Košice, Slovakia, far east of the country, one of the underrated cities in whole Europe.
And I would like to introduce and show you everything what we can, Dali. And yeah, it's gonna be something special.
Yes, absolutely. They're gonna enjoy and they're gonna learn more about this city, which is,
Definitely.
as you mentioned, is underrated. None of people, tourists, they come here. Normally, when they travel, they go to Budapest, Prague, or other big cities or capital. And then, what we're gonna cover in this series, we're gonna do around Košice town center and surround it as well. We're gonna cover the monument historics, the restaurants, the traditional food as well. And as I'm talking now, we're standing in the middle of the street.
It's a high street, but we call it Hlavná ulica, which means this is all you can see. The one thing is very special, which means none of Slovakian cities have. We have a stream, as you see, with water.
Fresh water, you can drink it though.
And it's very so it's literally half of the high street. It's that string coming from the one end to the half of the it's very close to which we'll show you later, close to Fountain, which is we got two fountains, small one, and then we have
is that a singing fountain, isn't it?
Yes, this is the small one, which is behind obviously you can't see now. Then is the theatre, and after that is the huge, very famous fountain, one of the most famous in definitely famous in Slovakia. But this is a different story because we need to come in the evening because it's something special, which means you should watch us and you'll see. You're gonna love it.
Look,
we're not gonna. It's a secret. Don't tell them.
The secret, but they need to watch the whole video until the end.
Exactly. And we're gonna do more videos.
They need to subscribe though. Yeah.
Population, Ali knows.
220,000 people lives in this beautiful historical town.
And I'll show you now. Chapel of the St. Michael, which was built before the cathedral, and now you can see cathedral. Cathedral, it's something we're not going to talk about now, as it's many things to show you, and we're going to take 2,000, I think roughly 2,000 steps on the top, and we're going to do a big video about it, so stay with us, guys. Yeah,
we're going to climb towards that tower up there.
It's called Zsigmond Tower, and we'll take you to Zsigmond Tower, which was built around 13th century, and because it was a big fire in 17th century, so they rebuilt it. But this is a really long story, guys, so please watch more. And this cathedral is extremely special. It's a treasure of Slovakia, it's a treasure of the Europe.
Yes.
No, Ali, you know as well. You know,
absolutely.
you love it as well.
As she mentioned, we're gonna make one special video about it. So we have to go inside and film all that part.
Yes, inside, up and down. Tell you more about its history, and guarantee you guys you're gonna love it. And just remember, it's one of the oldest cathedral in Europe.
Yeah, and as we're walking down to the town center,
we
are facing this Baroque Art Nouveau.
Well spotted, Ali, well spotted, you're right. So this all you see, not only colors, but you see the windows, you see the shapes of the windows, especially the a red one. It's stunning. Yeah, these bells sometimes go on, but I don't know when. Look, the children is taking pictures. There must be some school. Yeah. Can you hear the music, people? Like I said, you need to watch it again in the evening. Amazing. Yeah. So it's matched with the music. Yeah.
Like orchestra.
Yes, yes.
We're gonna come back here in the evening
Yes, yes.
to show you how beautiful it is.
It's
Now we're in.
National Theatre of Košice, one of the famous in Slovakia.
But apparently it's closed during the summertime, is it?
Yes, it's closed in August. Like, yeah, for reconstructions, break for the people. A little secret: my mom used to work in a section of making the dresses, maintaining the dresses and stuff. So that's why I know. And maybe we'll be lucky go inside to show you. Even it's closed for summertime, but we might, because it's very old-fashioned, it's very retro,
Good.
it's very, yeah. So we beg in a high street. Everything is literally on a high street. What we're showing you is everything is on a high street. And
The architect of the building, Kat.
yes, there's a lot of,
Amazing.
what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you more. There's a few specific buildings are very special, and they have a little history. Also, which means, wow, they playing Anna Bolena, Romeo and Juliet, and Netopir means, Ali, you wanna, so this is very good actually what happened now. This is for the bicycles only. So if something happened to you there, you'll be in trouble.
Every building is different than
Yes.
next one.
Yes, the windows, the ceiling, the top, like this one. Look at how beautiful is that. Have a
Let's cross to the
history.
next
Yes.
side.
So this is Greek Catholic Church.
Okay.
Actually, a friend of mine, she was married there long time ago. Yeah, so it's a Greek Catholic Church. So it's literally for my religion, because I'm Greek Catholic, Greco-Catholic. That's the right
And there's
name.
another fountain here.
Yeah, this is, they call it small fountain. It doesn't have a particular name, and it's very special because this fountain have like zodiacs.
Okay.
Yeah, so every zodiac
Yeah.
have a, so you can see your zodiacs in there. So what usually people do, they sit there next to the zodiac.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's very famous. No, sorry, it's very like popular for children because they always, sometimes, obviously they're not allowed to, but they always put their feet in when it's cold. You see? So you can see your zodiacs. It's a stunning fountain. I would say Scorpion. Yeah. Rocks are not fake. Everything is not fake. So guys, find yours.
Find yours and tell us
Yeah.
what is your luck for this month.
Yes, that's good.
In the comment, please.
Ah, this is Alice. Yeah, look at that. Leo.
Lion, like a Atlas lion.
Cancer, Gemini. I'm here. Oh, I'm here. Very. People come sit here usually during the lunchtime or just relaxing. Obviously today is not a weekend, but during a weekend it's more packed, and especially because now it's a holiday, Because if you know, like, I don't know what is in your countries, but in Slovakia, we have a 2 months holiday, whole July and whole August. So it's more attractions, more things to do. It's more busy because obviously parents take children outside. So it's the beautiful time. I mean, like, we are very, we love bikes. We love hiking, bikes. And if you watch, you're gonna see something very special to me, like with hiking. I'll take you, me and Ali will take you some beautiful place, but shh, I'm not gonna tell. And yes.
Look at this building, built in 1898.
Yes.
This man standing on the top of the building, he used to be a beggar, okay? And people who lives in this street, they are posh, bourgeois. And he used to be begging in the street and saving money until he bought this building, and they call him Mr. Beggar. So basically, how the society been divided at that time, and how he put himself into that high class living. So this gentleman, he become very popular because of that. So imagine you get classified as a poor man, so you cannot even step into the rich zone, and then all of a sudden, because you are smart, you know how to manage the money, you beg, you save, and then you buy this beautiful building, and it's standing there as a symbolic that always there is chance one day you're gonna become rich, and never lose a hope.
Never give up your dreams.
Absolutely. So as we continue walking in the town center, there's plenty of restaurants and coffee shops and pubs. So there are people enjoying the summertime, coming for drinks and food outside. Clean, very clean. Another building here, I think is a church, isn't it?
This is a church of Saint Francis from Assisi. Probably some people know. This was built by a pope called Lev, which means lion, in 14th century. And this is like, we're talking about like 800 years old building. So this was literally also a legacy of the Francis from Assisi, which he's very popular person in Christianity. The trees you can see, they were not here. We're talking about maybe 100 years ago, but they built them to make a shade for people, because when you walk in this high street in summer, it's extremely hot.
So actually
yes.
It's hot during the summer and very cold during the winter, yeah?
Yes, but the thing is, okay, so we still four season country, which means we have a summer, winter, spring and autumn, but summer's getting more hot than usual, and I think it's all around the world. But yes, this is I think these trees were built from the purpose of the hot, very, very hot. I want to show you something very special. Ali, can we cross the road? If you remember Pope Paul, Jan Pavel II, the second one, he was one of the most beautiful popes in this world, and his name was, and I'll show you, this is on his memory. He was here in 2nd of July 1995, and I was here with my grandma waiting 4 hours just to wave and saw him. and it's one of the most beautiful and special moments for me, because John Paul II, he's the most humble pope in the entire world. Yes, and I remember crowds and people were everywhere. So all this was just people waiting for him. He's got his Papa mobile, and he was waving at us. I was staying 4 hours with my grandma, bless her old woman. She was standing with me, and then I was with her 4 hours, 4 or 5 hours. I do remember that, like yesterday. And it was so long time ago. When I spot this is exactly when it was happening. And I think it's one of the most beautiful moments for my grandma in her in her nearly 90 years. So it's just like really, it's very emotional, beautiful. Yeah.
And another.
Okay, I'll show you. Okay, this is another one. Veverička. Veverička means squirrel, and this pub is extremely old and famous.
Another store as well.
This is new. I haven't seen it before. Trdelník is very traditional.
€7.5.
Pastry, but I'm not sure if it's from Slovakia. I think it's Hungarian, no?
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
Prosím, to je maďarské, alebo... Dobre som typovala. Ďakujem. Yeah, so Trdelník is Hungarian, but it's very popular, and they do different flavors. And it's like a pastry round about like a very hot metal tube, and makes and then you can use like a different flavors. Vanilla, they do new pistachio. Very famous is the cinnamon one. So worth it to try. So don't hesitate. And then also, which is we're going to explain later, Hungarian influence in Slovakia and especially Košice.
Pizza. Look at the size of the pizza.
Yeah, size of your.
Bigger than my face.
Wow, this is a fresh one.
Fresh one.
It's lovely.
Shall we order some? One slice each, just to bite.
You can. I don't. But if they pay, I hope they pay with the card, Ali. Dá sa platiť kartou? Yes.
One slice of this.
Môžeme jeden kúsok z tohto.
Is okay to film? Is okay to
Ste
film?
v pohode, že to filmujeme, hej?
Thank you so much. One slice, por favor. Thank you. So it's €2
Huge slice.
for this massive slice. And you're gonna see how big it is, bigger than my face.
And everybody's very friendly.
Ďakujeme.
Ďakujeme. Dovidenia.
Just hold it.
Okay, now I'm holding because Ali's in his heaven.
This is quattro formaggi. This is the size of the pizza, the slice of pizza. Look, bigger than my face. And now we're gonna. It's a thin crust.
Yeah.
We're gonna try it and see
Let
how
us
delicious.
know, Ali. What do you think?
Bellissimo. Thank you for watching. There is plenty more to come. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. Subscribe now, there's a lot more on the way.